Straightforward. The term straightforward is an adjective that is used to describe something that is clear, simple, and easy to understand. It implies that there are no hidden complexities or complications involved. When something is straightforward, it means that it can be easily comprehended or done without any confusion or difficulty. Here are some examples to illustrate the usage of straightforward. 1. The instructions for assembling the furniture were straightforward and easy to follow. This sentence implies that the instructions were clear and simple, making the process of assembling the furniture uncomplicated. 2. The teacher explained the concept in a straightforward manner, making it easier for the students to understand. In this example, the teacher presented the concept in a clear and direct way, which helped the students grasp the information without any confusion. 3. The math problem seemed complex at first, but once I understood the formula, it became straightforward. This sentence indicates that the math problem initially appeared difficult, but after comprehending the formula or method, it became easier to solve. 4. She gave a straightforward answer to his question, without any hesitation or ambiguity. This sentence suggests that she provided a direct and clear response to his question, leaving no room for misunderstanding or uncertainty. Overall, the term straightforward is used to describe something that is uncomplicated, clear, and easy to understand. It is often used to convey simplicity and lack of complexity in various contexts, such as instructions, explanations, problems, and answers.